noong nagpupugay sa'yo sa taglay mong kadakilaan bayan ko. Mga anak mo'y hindi lilimot sa'yo, dinalutihan sa'yo ang aming puso.
Mabuhay! I would like to formally introduce myself. I am Jolan Bondok Paule, but you can call me Jolan, and I will be your tour guide for today.
Dinalutihan sa'yo ang aming puso.
At makakasama natin ang ating coach captain, Kuya Jazz, lisensyado't mapagkakatiwalaan sa ating kaligtasan. Handa na ba kayo? In behalf of Fong Travel and Tours, we would like to welcome you all in the wonderful place of Dinalutihan. Tara na!
Na kami ang yamang.
In behalf of Fong Travel and Tours, I'd like to welcome you all sa bayan ng Dinalulupig, Dinalutihan. But before we begin the tour, please be reminded with all safety protocols, guidelines, and reminders so that this trip will be safe and truly enjoyable. You just have to remember the word escape. Let's learn our acronym starting from E. Engage in every activity so that you can explore and appreciate every destination. S. Secure your things and make sure to stay with your partner all the time so that no one will get lost at our tour. C. Sport NATO. Yes, you hear it right. Clean before you go. Leave nothing but footprints so that we can maintain the beauty of each destination. A. Is always observe the time. If you hear me whistle once like this, it means your time is on to roam and around and enjoy the place. But when you hear the whistle blowing twice like this, it means that your time is up and we have to go back in our bus for our next destination. P is for prepare to get ready to our next destination. And lastly, E, emergency. In case you experience an unwanted situation, we have a first aid kit here. If you have any questions, clarification, or violence reaction, don't hesitate to call my attention. In behalf of Fong Travel and Tours, I'd like to welcome you all sa bayan ng Dinalulupig, Dinalutihan. Welcome to Parokyani San Juan Bautista.
Kapayapaan naghahangin sa kalooban, gabay ng may kapansusi ng tagumpay. Mga taong lumipas di malilimutan.
Welcome to Layang!
Ika'y bayan, saksi ang kasaysayan. Dinalutihan bayan ko, mga anak mo narito. Kami ay kabalikan sa pagsulong mo. Kami ay kabalikan sa pagsulong mo.
Welcome to Municipality of Dinalutihan.
Dinalutihan bayan ko, mga.
Welcome to Dinalutihan Oval.
Kaming taas noong nagpupugay sa'yo sa taglay mong kadakilaan bayan ko. Mga anak mo'y hindi lilimot sa'yo, dinalutihan sa'yo ang aming puso. Bundok malasing bupusod ng bayan ko, ito ang duyan ng mga pangarap ko. Gintong palayan ang tulay ng ating buhay, sa likas na yaman tunay na pinagpala. Mga taong lumipas di malilimutan, ika'y bayani, saksi ang kasaysayan. Dinalutihan bayan ko, mga anak mo'y narito. Kami ay kabalikat sa pagsulong mo.